Bullish Jasmy coin. Jasmy cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.024914 and $0.04706 by 2030. Market investigators accept Jasmy could reach $0.019378 by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.004429. Jasmy coin. Jasmy presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things, IoT, gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive construction of a market, the digital money market continues developing and fanning out, while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Notwithstanding, with this non-stop advancement and development, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy. Jasmy stage fills in as an information assurance convention that places information a vote-based system at a high worth and expects to go about as a delegate for the safe trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces (PDL). This guarantees that information isn't effortlessly gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and cornered figures. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Jasmy. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this passing winding? And what's the cost figure for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy. Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based ERC coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Endo made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets in this way, improving the customary method of abundance move, as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves a tremendous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin. Jasmy principal information investigation and organizations. Since creation by a group of Sony chiefs are viewed as experts of gadgets, mechanics, broadcast communications, gadgets, framework reconciliations, and plans on their site in Tokyo. Jasmy has been making one association or the other to stay aware of the deluge of new clients and extend their computerized domain and importance. The timetable of occasions that have most impacted the development of Jasmy are, in April 2019, proof of idea, POC convention plan, and web tests were begun. The organization Jasmy coin got recorded on the Bittrex crypto trade and began to help Trust Wallet and MetaMask exchanges in May 2021. In September 2021, Slowmist Innovation, a security organization that focuses on savvy contract reviews, marked a joint effort manage Jasmy. This association was to actually look at the security norms of the convention and its assessment mechanics. Also, inside a similar period, Jasmy cooperated with Seigan Tosu, one of the top groups in the Japanese Football Association, and turned into its support. In October 2021, Jasmy coin got recorded on Coinbase and Coinbase Genius. In the new year 2022, Jasmy declared that they intend to extend worldwide, for the most part into North America and Asia. They plan to encourage organizations in view of blockchain and man-made brainpower, man-made intelligence innovation. Jasmy coin. Jasmy current cost. Jasmy coin is as of now worth $0.005536 United States dollars. Jasmy has moved 5.84% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $31,401,231. Jasmy coin is as of now position 135 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $263,368,400 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin. Jasmy, to conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Jasmy coin, Jasmy, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Jasmy coin. Jasmy, value expectation 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. Jasmy. The Jasmy cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.008305. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.007751 in cost is very aggressive, However, it is doable soon, given expected joint efforts and progressions. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0.006644. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Jasmy coin, Jasmy cost expectation has a lot of space for development because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives. We guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $0.013841. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Jasmy's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.011073 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.01218. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2025, on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025. It could reach $0.019378, and Jasmy might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.017717 and a low of $0.016609 in 2025. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2026. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively helps market opinion among digital money devotees, the Jasmy coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2026. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.024914 with a base cost of $0.022146 and a typical cost of $0.023253. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Jasmy cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.028789 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.027682 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Jasmy has a most extreme value worth of $0.03045. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.034326. On the off chance that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.035987. Neglecting to accumulate the help Jasmy needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.033219. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2029. While Jasmy is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at